Alright, so let's have a look at voltage and current. Some of the things we measure when we have a circuit. Now, let's have a look at what current is first. The circuit we're going to use as an example is this one here, and we'll see that it has a transformer, a closed switch, a voltmeter, a variable resistor, and an ammeter. So basically current is the flow of electric charge. Okay, it's measuring, when we're measuring current, it's the number of charged particles passing a point per second. Now, we measure it using an ammeter, which is this guy. It's measured in amperes, or that sometimes gets shortened to amps. And it's named after a guy whose name was Ampere, but we can say amps. And the symbol for this unit is just a capital A. And it is connected in series, and this means it will have, the thing itself has, the ammeter has negligible resistance, right? So it doesn't interfere with charges as they travel through it. Now, what it does is it counts, essentially it's a counter, and it counts the charge, and it converts that number, which is actually coulombs, into something called amperes or amps, which is what we use to measure. So, it's connected in series, which means it is within the main circuit. And it just counts how many charges go past this point right here. Now let's have a look at voltage. Again, we're going to use the same symbol, same circuit diagram. This is the electromotive force, or the energy carried by the current. So with the current, it's how much energy it has to push through something that's resisting it, or push it around the circuit. So it is the electromotive force, or energy carried by the current, pushing the electrons or charge around the circuit. So as the charge goes along here through this circuit, now the wire itself, the connective path, usually has very low resistance. It won't be zero, because that's not quite possible, but it'd be negligible. So very, very low resistance. And then it hits this here. This is a resistor. Then this could be a dial. This could be anything. This could be a dimmer for the lights, or a volume control, whatever you want. It's a variable resistor. So what it's doing is that this voltmeter here is measuring how much voltage or energy is used by this resistor. So it's measured using a voltmeter, see, just down here. The unit is volts, and the symbol for that is a capital V. And it's connected in parallel. And what it does is it measures the difference in energy for the charge. So as the charge goes through, it measures the difference in energy from point A to point B. It measures how much of the energy is used. And that's current and voltage. Alright. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below, or suggestions. We'll take those as well, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Feel free to watch our other videos, and yeah, we'll see you next time.